Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the refresh card from the events on the Total Football mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Total Football account, and if you already log in, you can go to the events menu on the main menu, and then on the events menu you can go to the training camp. Okay, you can strike to the training camp, and on the daily task menu on the training camp you can go to claim on the daily tasks. Okay, and then you will get the refresh card and also complete the task and unlock the rewards. Okay, and this is the points. Okay, so if you want to get the refresh card, you can click the claim button, and if you want to get another rewards, you can finish the task from the daily task and also the challenge tasks. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a question, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.